Right now, though, I want to do something. I gotta say something about my partner right quick. I gotta say R.I.P. my nigga 3-2.
For real?
Yeah. So right now, where you at, mama?
Mama! It's 3-2 mama, y'all. So for the governor, which is Mr. 3-2, I am like D. This is Miss Barrier. Come on, mama.
We gonna do this for my boy 3-2 right quick. Let's do this, hot seat.
Let's go.
Niggas never sweat. Yours always. Let's go. Big man, take it from us, bro. Let's go. Now players never sweat these hoes. Big man, never hoes. Let it get chose like a boy to argue. Boys, look away. This big boss, big boss. Let a hoe be a hoe. She won't leave me alone. Can call her my prime gold. Just cause her baby daddy online. No stop, all the jiggy, running the ride, saying she pregnant with my baby. But a year two, triple O, baby, mama say baby. I've been knocking them off my cousin. Her sister and her fine little cousin. The same week, these boys was preaching. On the morning, these boys was asleep. Let's go. Niggas never sweat.